Hello and welcome to today's maths video. Today we will discuss some problems on direct and inverse variation. Let's look at our first problem. If the cost of 8 kg of rice is $160, then find the cost of 18 kg of rice. Now, as the quantity of rice increases, the cost will also increase. Therefore, it's an example of direct variation. Therefore, we can write y equal to kx, where k is the constant of variation. Therefore, y by x is equal to k. Now, in the table, the quantity of rice is taken as y and the cost is taken as x. Now, first the quantity is 8 kg, the cost is $160. Then the quantity is 18 kg and the cost, we have to find the cost for that. Therefore, we can write it as 8 kg by $160. That is 8 by 160 equal to 18 by the unknown quantity. So on calculating, we get the unknown quantity as $360. Therefore, the cost of 18 kg of rice is $360. Let's look at the second problem. A car travels 60 kilometers in 45 minutes. At the same rate, how many kilometers will it travel in 2 hours? Therefore, to travel more distance, the time taken will be more. Thus, it is an example of direct variation. Now, y equal to kx, where k is the constant of variation. Therefore, y by x is equal to k. Now, we have taken the distance in kilometers as y and the time taken as x. Therefore, for 60 kilometers, it travels in 45 minutes. Now, we have to see what will be the distance traveled in 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Therefore, we can write it as 60 upon 45 equal to the unknown quantity upon 120. So therefore, the unknown quantity is 160 kilometers. Therefore, it will travel 160 kilometers in 2 hours. Our third problem is if 18 men do a work in 20 days, in how many days do 24 men do the same work? Therefore, as the number of men increases, the number of days will decrease. Thus, it's an example of inverse variation. Therefore, y equal to k by x, where k is the constant of variation. Therefore, y into x is equal to k. Now, from the table, we can see that the number of men have been taken as y and the number of days have been taken as x. And we have to find the number of days taken by 24 men. Therefore, we can write it as 18 into 20 equal to 24 multiplied by the unknown number. Thus, we can, on calculating, we find that the unknown number is 15. So, therefore, 24 men take 15 days to complete the work. Our fourth problem is if A takes 5 days to complete a task when he works for 8 hours a day, how many days will he take to complete the task if he works 5 hours a day? Now we can see that if he works for more number of hours, he will take less number of days. Therefore, it's an example of inverse variation. Therefore, y is equal to k by x, where k is the constant of variation and yx is equal to k. So from the table, we can see that the number of hours a day is taken as y, number of days is taken as x, and we have to find how many days he will take if he works 5 hours a day. Therefore, we can write it as 8 into 5 equal to 5 into the missing number. Thus, he will need 8 hours to complete the work if he takes 5 hours a day. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also give your feedback in the comment section and also mention what topic you would like to watch next. Stay tuned for more such maths videos.